Hey guys, it is Dani and welcome to this brief update, and I'm here with updates on what is now Tropical Depression 29. So we are at our 29th depression of this very active Atlantic hurricane season, and this depression will eventually become a tropical storm acquiring the name ETA and even a hurricane. It is expected to be a hurricane, and we just have quite a bit to discuss. But before I go into details with this tropical system, please do subscribe if you haven't, and tap the bell so you know every time when I post a new video, because I will keep you guys updated on tropical cyclone activity right throughout the season. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My weather account is weathergirl Dani, and my personal account is Dani'i official. Okay guys, so let us take a look at the satellite view of our new tropical depression. So we're starting to see it's getting more organized as time goes by. It's starting to have that rotation, but as time goes by, it's going to be getting better because it will be in some favorable conditions that will push it to further intensify. And so areas such as, I believe, maybe the southern portion of Hispaniola might be experiencing some periods of heavy rainfall, but Jamaica will be in for some locally heavy rainfall that could result in some flooding by the early part of the new week. And so now to the National Hurricane Center's cone forecast. So fortunately, this is expected to pass south of Jamaica, but again, it's still going to be a rainfall threat, and so we're expecting it to become a tropical storm very soon. I wouldn't be surprised if it achieves that status by tonight or very early tomorrow, and it is expected to become a hurricane maybe sometime Monday afternoon, when it is going to be moving inland into Nicaragua. So Nicaragua could be in for a hurricane landfall by the early part of this week. And after it moves inland, it's sort of going to be loitering in Central America. It's going to be moving up to the northwest into Honduras, and we've had some of our models expecting that this might go into the eastern Pacific, it might go into the Gulf of Mexico, it's going to be turning back into the Caribbean and then moving up. The GFS earlier today was showing it making landfall in Florida, guys. So there are a lot of possibilities on the table for where our Brewing ETA will go after the point that the National Hurricane Center's cone is showing here. So we really just have to watch it and see. But again, Jamaica will be in for some heavy rainfall, and Central America, Nicaragua, and Honduras will feel the worst of this tropical system. And so here we have our different models expecting where this might go, and we see that there is a range right here. So anywhere going from the eastern Pacific to the Gulf of Mexico, or even in the just to the east of Florida right there. It could even miss Florida, but we just really have to wait and see what the outcome will be. But just for the next couple of days, again, Jamaica and Central America will be in for some inclement weather conditions, potentially life-threatening at times. And so guys, that is really it for this update, and if you found this video to be pretty informative, please give a thumbs up, and you can also share your thoughts in the comments or ask a question. I will try to respond as best and as soon as I can, and just remember to always be weather-wise, and I will keep giving updates as time goes by.